Hey kids, so today we are going to learn how to draw or how to customize your own sprite. So many a times we don't get the sprite that we actually need. So for that reason you may draw your own sprite using the paint option given in the sprites pane. Now to do so, I'll click on the create button over here. It will create a new project for us. Let it get loaded. Once it is loaded, you will see that there is already one sprite given to you. Remove that slide because we don't need it. We are going to draw our own sprite. Removing that sprite, now rename your project as anything, maybe in the bottom right corner we have this kitten like icon that says choose a sprite. Once we put our mouse cursor over it, we get many menus or many options over here. Upload sprite, surprise, paint and search. Choose a sprite. So we will click on this paint icon over here. This will open the paint option available for us, or we can call it paint editor also. Now let's start drawing a sprite. We have all of these options given over here. To draw a sprite, we can fill color, we can use brush, we can select, we can reshape, we can erase, we can add text, we can add these circle, square and line shapes also. We have this flip horizontal, flip vertical options to use the same shapes that you have drawn if you are drawing something symmetrical. So let's use each of them. Today I'm going to show you how to draw a dog. Okay, so for that first I'll need a circle, a big circle like this. Now I'm going to reshape my circle. So just dragging this a bit, dragging this a bit. Okay. Not bad. Okay, this can be. I'll add one more thing over here. A tail for our dog. Okay. So this becomes the body of our dog. Let's drag this a little bit. Okay, now let's make a head. I want my dog's head to be a circle. So I'll draw a circle. I'll draw one more circle as his nose. Then I'll draw a ear. Okay, let's reshape this because this doesn't look like an ear. Okay, ear should be somewhat like this. Okay, so we have eyes to be drawn too. So I'm drawing an eye now. Okay, fill this for black. Fill this for white. Perfect. Now I'm going to move this a little bit inside. Okay, now let's select this and attach it over here. Let's color this with black. Okay, let's color our dog. Brown. Okay, let's color the ear a little bit darker. Now let's drag this over here and add it over here. Let's select this and add it over here. Now let's select the nose and add it over here, and also reshape the nose a bit. I guess our dog's color should be a little bit lighter. Maybe something like this. Even the body shape should be a little bit lighter. Like this. That's a dog. So we have created a dog on our own. We can make it a little bit smaller. Perfect. So this is our dog. You can draw similar sprites on your own. Use these tools given to you in the paint editor and draw your own sprite. After that, you can generate the shareable link and share it